Hello, welcome back to another videos on my YouTube channel. And today I will show you how you can change the filament on the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. So let's get started. I already have a roll of filament from Elegoo, so I'll use it for this demo. First of all, on the touch screen here, you're going to do the filament, and you're going to choose the unload, so it's kind of, yes, you have to wait for the Bambu Lab A1 to open the stuff, including hit the nozzle, change the filament location, cut the filament, and put back the current filament so we can change the new filament into the printer. So we have to wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so just pull back the filament into the filaments goes out of the tube, like this one. So make sure that you put the filament on the holes right here, so it will prevent the filament tangle. Wait a second. Okay, like this one. So after the process is finished, there's pop-up message on the screen: finished and continue. And now it's time to load the new filament into the printer. So first I'm gonna put the new filament into the printer again. Put on the filament spool holders and press the filament into the right tube, and you can see the filament is going to the extruder. We go to the filament again, and we will load to the slot option. Just a second. You have to check the nozzle if to check the way the filament has been pulled out. If not, you have to retry again. So if the problem has still happened, my solution is to remove the tube and put the filament on the top like this, and press retry. You can see the filament is going into the extruder, and now you can press the filament extrude and continue. Waiting for the old filament and the new filament pull out. And it's done. Cut easy.